Hi, this is Meenakshi. I am here to present the topic laws of motion and gravitation. Before getting into the topic, first we will learn what it means by force. Coming to the definition, the force is one which changes or tends to change the state of rest. Consider this example. The guy was trying to push the rock. In order to push the rock, he need to apply some kind of external force in order to move the rock. Only when he apply force, the rock will start moving. So the force is one which changes or tends to change the state of rest. Coming to the second line of definition, uniform motion of a body. Consider another example. The ball keep moving. In order to stop the uniform motion of this object, you need to apply force. So the force is one which changes or tends to change the state of rest or uniform motion of a body. A force has both magnitude and direction, making it a vector quantity. Vector quantity is nothing but the object which has both magnitude and direction. Force is measured in the SI unit of newtons and represented by the symbol F. What is Newton? Is the international system of unit, derived unit of force. It is named after Isaac Newton after the discovery of Newton's 3 laws of motion. Now we talk about concepts of force. Force is pushing or pulling things. Look at this example. Say if a chair is lying in front of you. You want it, move it away. What do you have to do? Will the chair move by itself? Does it happen like that? No way, right? You have to make an effort. You have to push the chair away. Similarly, if you want chair towards you, you have to make an effort to pull towards you. This effort to push or pull something is called as force. You cannot move an object without using force. To move light object like pencil, you need to apply less force. If you want to move heavy object, you need to apply more force. Coming to the second characteristics, force can stop things. Consider this example. When the person bowls, he needs to apply more force so that batsman hit the ball with same equivalent force. Same way, to stop moving body, we need a force. Like when we catch a ball, we use force to stop it. The third characteristic is force can change the direction. Like in this picture, the person hit the moving ball with the bat and used the force to change the direction. Coming to the last characteristics, force can change the shape of the body. Like when we apply a force on softball given in the diagram, it can even change the shape of the ball. So force can do multiple things. It can move an object, slows it down, stops it constantly, change the direction of the moving object, or change the shape of an object. Now we talk about what is balanced and unbalanced force. Coming to the definition of balanced force. Force acting on an object which do not change the state of rest or of uniform motion of it are called balanced force. Consider this example. Two girls are sitting on the seesaw, both exerting equal force. Here the force and the distance are the same on both sides, so seesaw is balanced. Here the seesaw remains at rest since balanced force exists. Now we talk about what is unbalanced force. Coming to the definition, the resultant of two forces acts on an object and brings it in motion. These opposite forces are called unbalanced force. Consider this example. Fat guy was sitting one side of seesaw and the lean guy on another side. Will the force exert on both sides will remain same? No. It is referred as unbalanced force because it makes seesaw to move. The fat guy will have more force than the lean guy. So force always depends on the mass of the object and the acceleration. Consider another example, tug of war. There are two teams, blue team and green team. Blue team exert force 2200 Newton, green team exert force 2500 Newton. Which team will win? Green team, because 300 Newton extra force were applied by them to stop the opponent team.